Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Welcome to the shop. Y'all come on in and make yourself comfortable. Tonight we're going to talk about some tools that are going to help us with our sharpening and to know what angle we have on our tools. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This first one here is a simple angle finder. So many folks, they want to know what angle is your tool ground to. Well, I'll tell you, a lot of people just don't know, and even if they think they know, they're probably wrong. But this one is at 50, it stays at 50, and I can put this in here and check it from time to time to make sure it's still at 50. You may have at some point experienced a time when everything was going great, you were cutting good, and then as the days and the weeks passed, you noticed that your tool just wasn't cutting as good as it used to. Even when you sharpened it, it just didn't feel like it used to. Well, that may be because your jig moved a little bit and your angle changed, and it's not the angle that you prefer. But if you don't have a means to check it, then you don't know. And they do get off. So I highly recommend that tool, and I'll put a link down in the description. So if you don't have one, you can go find one, okay? There's one other tool I want to talk about here. This tool is for setting up your grinder. Now this is an odd looking creature, but if you notice here, it's numbered 1 through 6 with 16th inch increments. You got these fingers here and you loosen this and this moves. Now mine's set on 3.5 because 3.5 is where I have it set for my bowl gouge. So I know I can come up and set up my grinder at any point and it's going to be the same every time. This is especially useful if I go to someone else's shop or go to a retreat or a class where I'm using somebody else's grinder or sharpening device. Let me show you real quick. So, you've got your arm here, and some of you probably just passed out because if somebody came in and moved that in your shop, you would have a fit. It's set just right, and you don't ever move it. And if you've got CBN wheels, that may be fine, but if you have these old rock wheels, well, that's going to be a problem because they're going to wear on you. And see, even if you get the CBN wheels, like the ones in this box, I understand you have to put them on the grinder for them to do you any good, and I just hadn't had time to get that done. By using this tool, I can come in, put that right there. As long as both of those are touching, I know that I'm going to get the exact same grind on my bowl gouge every time. And if I decide to move it, to do something else, it's no big deal because we're going to come right back, put that right back in there, double check, make sure we got it set right, and we're set right back to grind exactly the same grind we did last time. Folks, these are just two simple little tools. They may not seem like much, but they sure make my life easier, and I think they may make your life easier too. So I just wanted to share those with you tonight. If they help you, let me know. And one other thing, I'm getting comments from people in a lot of places. If you don't mind, just go down in the comment and let me know where you're from. Where are you watching from? If you live here in the States, let me know what state. If you're outside the States, let me know what country you're living in. I just think that might be interesting and fun to see where everybody's from. Folks, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, tell a friend. If you love what you see, tell everybody. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.